Kyle Wagner. I'm a civil engineer at Prairie. Came out of college in 2018 and joined Prairie about a year ago. Any engineer who walks through the door on any given day wants to encounter a new issue. So we really look forward to those. And the first step is to see if you can find any internal resource in your company. It's not uncommon to reach out to, 5 coworkers when you encounter a problem just to get their thoughts. The next step is really just dive in and pull as much data as you can for that project and figure out, what's the best solution here.
My name is Alicia Kamishki, and at Prairie Engineers, I am the SLED market lead, the project management officer, and a structural engineer. Half away from spreadsheets. We have some functions in spreadsheets and we have some functions in some software that's a little bit more automated, and I think as we go, the automated systems are going to get more all-encompassing and easier to use. And so I think we'll see more efficiency in project management. Still the same need for detail, but more efficiency in how we do it.
At heart, I am an MEP engineer, so I design mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. In a historic renovation, like I said before, we have form, we have function. Form, like how things look, is one of the most important parts in keeping things original to the building. Those projects tend to have the best problem solving.
The whole goal is for NRCS is for these dams, for these lakes to have some sort of benefit, whether that's flood reduction or recreation benefit or municipal water benefit. A lot of these dams are 75 to 100 years old. They're beyond their usable life, but really the main focus is finding that benefit to the public.
So my name's Avantika. I am originally from India. I came to the US to study. Here at Prairie, I work as a GIS analyst. One place I really want to invest my time with respect to growing with the company and personally is UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles. The second thing I see is LiDAR data being used a lot. It's already happening, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be expanding more and more. And third, which I have been avoiding so far, but is programming. I think a lot of GIS involves a lot of programming. Having some programming background is definitely beneficial, especially when I'm doing LiDAR or remote sensing work. I've seen the benefit of it.
Hi, I'm Ryan Butler. I am our Chief Employee Experience Officer as well as our Market Lead for Utilities and Industry. I think it's the transition to clean energy is the biggest thing around the energy market right now. So all of your major utilities, IOUs, investor-owned utilities, all have decarbonization plans by 2040, 2045. So they're phasing out their coal plants, they're ramping up their clean energy initiatives, whether that's solar, wind, nuclear. So trying to figure out what the right entry point for Prairie is into these initiatives and be a part of that growth.
Jason Sweet, been here for a little over a year. I'm the federal market lead for Prairie. So one thing we're looking at doing as we're growing, federal market expanding, our federal market expanding is developing a federal team that'll have client champions for those ones that we're doing a lot of work with or the ones that we want to do more work with, building out a federal team that internally work together, have all the specific knowledge of those clients and everything, and the partners and the players and all that, and then come together as a team to continue growing that federal market.